This Black & Decker toast oven is indispensable. I've had it for years, and it just keeps on going and going. It has a temperature control right here. This goes from warm all the way down to broil, and then you can toast on this side here, broil in the middle, and then bake. And then here is your settings for your time. You can go all the way up to about 30 minutes, all the way up at 30 minutes. And it'll beep when your food's done. I've cooked many of things in this: hot dogs, my son's pizzas, homemade those little tortilla pizzas when they were growing up, and it's an all-around great item, great appliance. It will last, and I've had no issues with it, and I think I've had it at least 3 or 4 years going on now, and it works great. Thanks for watching, and have a good one.